and I am wishing to you very happy for New Year 2021. Uh, in my KCL coaching, we are celebrating New Year 2021, and in 2021, my dear JP, Mr. JP sir, open one new branch in Govania, and it is my responsibility that these KCL coachings we have to proceed, and to new other persons. If other person know about what is KCL coaching center, it is my responsibility, and by advertisement we can learn, and other students those have no knowledge for how to speak English, they can know by JP sir, because in KCL coaching you have to provided more things like as presentation, GD, talk show, jam session, climb meeting, and many types of creativity. Those have no you cannot get in other coachings, because students they know very well about our syllabus like as physics, chemistry, math, and they know all these things like as history also, but they don't know about English, because English is very most important for us, but they don't know, because they have no any atmosphere for learning speaking English. It is the best chance, best opportunity for learning English. So we have to join KCL coaching center, and we have to learn English. So by English, because you know also what is the importance of English. If you operate a mobile, and if you operate a computer, then you can get all these things in English. So English is very most important. If I am doing business, then English is very most important, because if you know how to talk with other countries person like as American and USA also, then you can talk in English, and you can scatter our business in other countries like as USA and other UK also. If you don't know about English, you are also here in our country like as India, because in India it is national language of Hindi, and Hindi is not allowed for all countries. For all countries running only English. So English is very most important, and it is the provided we can learn by KCL coaching center, and these coachings I am also learning, and I am also know how to speak English. So I want to say to you, if you have any one students, and if you have any one friend those have no knowledge for English, speaking English, they can inform them, because if you know English, then you can get a performance, you can face our qualities in any meetings, in any teams.